Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is the video which is gonna be on the Zara haul. It's not kind of a haul, but I wanted to show you guys what I got it on my anniversary. And ये सारी shopping मैंने recently करी थी. And अगर आपको Zara से कुछ भी लेना है, please guys check the website and check their stores as well because they are running really good deal. I think 70% off, which you don't get it on your on I think on Zara, and their actual prices are really high. I was trying one blazer in this store and it was I think for $179, and when I saw the tag price, like after the discount, it was showing as I think $39 or maybe $45. I'm not sure about it, but yeah. So basically when I was checking the prices, I tried 2 to 3 blazers, but one of them was like very loose on me and two of them were very tight, so I didn't get that. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got it, and I think if you like it then I'll try to find the links on the website, and अगर मुझे कोई भी link मिलेगा मैं उसका obviously I'm gonna give it to you in the um, what do you call description मैं डाल दूँगी in case I find it. And if you guys enjoy my video then please video को like कर दिया करो and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be more active. I say this thing every single time, but now for sure I will be very active on YouTube, and I'll be showing you guys more videos, so stay tuned for that. And let's just I'm gonna start showing you the pieces which I got it, and let me just sit back and relax. Okay, so this is the bag. I know it's kind of huge, but इसमें ज़्यादा सामान नहीं है, so don't worry about that. I think we have 3 or 4 pieces that I wanted to show you, and let's just start with the first one. So first one, basically, so I went with my husband, and मेरे husband को वहाँ पे एक्चुअली बैलीज बहुत पसंद आई थी. सो ऑब्वियसली समर आएंगी तो वी कैन वेयर इट, एंड दीज आर दी बैलीज, एंड दीज आर लाइक इट हैज़ वेरी स्मॉल हील, लाइक ज़्यादा हील नहीं है इनमें, एंड आई लव द कलर. ये मुझे कुछ रिमाइंड करा रही है एक ब्रांड है, आई डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट, बट आई थिंक इट इज़ फ्रॉम कोच इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. आई डोंट नो, कोच स्लीपर्स बेचते हैं, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट, बट या ये किसी ना किसी को तो मुझे रिमाइंड कराती है कि ये किसी ना किसी के ब्रांड में सिमिलर लगती हैं ज़ारा की ये वाली. सो आई गॉट द हैंड्स ऑन दिस वन, एंड आई एम गोना टेल यू द एक्चुअल प्राइस एंड द डिस्काउंट प्राइस एज वेल. So for these I think let me just check the price. Okay, so you can see the price. It is I think if I'm not wrong it is $29, and if I pull up this sticker which is like, because obviously उनको जब डिस्काउंट लगाना होता तो ऐसे स्टिकर्स लगाते हैं. So I'm gonna pull that off and I'm gonna show you the actual price was. So it was $59 as you can see. So 59 का मुझे 29 में पड़ा. That means I got the $30 off on these ones, and these are really nice, good quality. I love them. So this is the first thing that I got it, and let's just put this away. Second thing which I got it, and it is like we all know, we have summers everywhere, I think all over the place like Canada. So मुझे ये हुडी बहुत पसंद आई थी. सो दिस इज़ द हुडी, एंड इट हैज़ अ ब्राउन कलर. आई डोंट नो ये इस पे ऐसे क्यों दिख रही है, बट इसका ब्राउन कलर है. इग्नोर माई फेस रेडनेस, आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एम गेटिंग दिस, बट या थोड़ा सा इसका ब्राउन शेड है, एंड ये मुझे मिली है आई मीन द साइज़ स्मॉल. ऑब्वियसली H&M एंड ज़ारा की जितनी भी हुडीज़ होती हैं उनके साइज़ काफ़ी बड़े होते हैं, या तो बिल्कुल ही छोटे मिलेंगे आपको या बिल्कुल ही बड़े मिलेंगे. इट्स लाइक यू विल गेट कन्फ्यूज इन दैट. सो या आई थिंक दिस वॉज आई गॉट इट ऑन द एक्चुअल प्राइस, एंड just double check here it has a sticker or not. No, there is no sticker. So I got it in $35. as you can see the price. I think it is good, and obviously Zara की जितनी भी hoodies होती हैं वो काफ़ी अच्छी quality की होती हैं. So yeah, this is the second item which I got it. Let's just check the third one. And third one I got the jogger because मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं जो हाई वेस्टेड वाले जॉगर्स होते हैं ना, और वो आपको H&M ज़ारा में ही मिल सकते हैं, या फिर थोड़े महंगे ब्रांड जैसे लुलुलेमन हो गया, अरिट्ज़िया हो गया, उनमें होते हैं. सो ये वाला, इसका जो एक्चुअल प्राइस था वो $35 था, बट मुझे सिर्फ $12 में मिला है. ये सिर्फ $12, इमेजिन कर सकते हो आप. एंड दिस इज़ द जॉगर. इट हैज़ दीज पॉकेट्स. It is high waist. Oh, I'm sorry, showing you the wrong side. It is high waisted and it has this rubber at the bottom and I love that. ये इस तरह के joggers ना, I love them on the sneakers. ये बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं sneakers के ऊपर, white sneakers पे. And I have that from Zara as well. So I'm gonna wear it on that. And yeah, this is the third piece which I got. It is, I think, very soft. It has fleece inside, which is like very warm if you are living in the colder place. And I'm in the size small because medium, if I have went to the medium size, that would be really big for me. So I just went on this one, and yeah, I just love it. And the last thing which I got it, and it is kind of a jacket, and I love Zara's jackets, blazers. I don't know, like I don't know what quality they are using, but it's just mind-blowing. Okay, so I got this jacket, and this is so pretty. Can you see, guys? I just love that. And I was like, I have to get it. I know it is on the actual price, which is, I think, so the price is $79. I have no idea. You can calculate in Indian currency if you are Indian, if you are watching my video. And yeah, but this is size in small. I got it in small and it is very pretty. I wore it in the mall, like in the Zara store, and it was looking amazing. So I just love that. So this is my last piece which I got it. And yeah, if I find any of the links in the on the website or anywhere, I'm gonna definitely put it down. And I got 2 perfumes as well, so I'm gonna show you. I don't have the boxes, I think I have thrown away, so I'm gonna show you both the perfumes. I don't know why I'm just forgetting. So yeah, let me just get it those for you, and then I'm gonna show it to you. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm back, guys, with the perfumes, and this is the first one which I got it, and it is already like full. I haven't used it. I just took it out from the box, and this is called Pink Flammable Zara Weekend 01. If you want to take the screenshot, you can do that. This has a very, I don't know, mild fragrance, and I just love it. Let me just check and smell it again. Yeah, it is amazing. It is like when you enter in a, what you call, very luxurious hotel, you get that smell and fragrance once you enter the room, maybe, or you enter the hotel, like 7-star or 5-star hotel, you get that smell, like fresh smell. It just kind of like that. It does not, I think they should provide the notes as well. Maybe they have left it on their packaging, but on this one, this bottle does not have any kind of notes so that I could tell you. But yeah, I just love it. I'm like, मेरे को सिर्फ smell करने दो इसको पूरा time. So yeah, this one, the first one, and the second one is this bottle. It is also full, and this is called Tuberose, which is Zara Weekend 02. So that one is 1. Both of them are Weekend, and this one is 02. If you want to take the screenshot of it, you can do that. This is also like similar kind of a smell to the previous one, but these are like, they don't give you the migraine if you have migraine problem, because I do have little bit of, like, let's say 40% I do have, and I do trigger, I do get triggered by the smells, but I don't get any headache, any I have met multiple people. I spoke with my husband as well, and he said it is amazing. Whenever I'm just passing through in my house or in my washroom, I just keep it in my washroom, all my perfumes. And if you want to see my collection, let me know. I'm going to show you guys what all perfumes I have currently. And my husband also got 2 perfumes. So yeah, this is like these are amazing. They are just like, you know, people are raving about these. They are basically, ये dupes हैं जितने भी हाई एंड ब्रांड्स के परफ्यूम्स होते हैं, उन सब के ज़ारा आई डोंट नो डूप्स बनाता है क्या है, बट या बहुत ही अमेजिंग है. I'm gonna wrap up this video quickly now, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know the drill. Just like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna show you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, bye. And if you find any of the items useful, and if you get it, then please let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear your thoughts. Bye.